Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about what is predictive analytics and how it is used in a real today life, and what are the techniques used in predictive analytics, and where it is used, what are the models involved in predictive analytics. So first we are going to see about the definition. So what is mean by predictive analytics? Predictive analytics is nothing but it going to predict the future data based on past and present data. If you want to predict anything, we need to identify the background. So that is called as a past and present data. So we can involve the present data. We may neglect that one also. But the past data is very much important to analyze and predict the future data. So what we are going to do is we going to analyze the past data to predict, to get what will happen in the future. So we are going to use the techniques. So this techniques is called as a predictive analytics. So the definition is nothing but it going to predict future data based on past and present data. The present data may be included based on their situations. If we want, we can include. If don't want, we can neglect or reject the data. It is not compulsory to involve that data. Okay, this is the basic definition about the predictive analytics. When we talk about the data, what kind of data they may include? So the first one will be the numerical data. So the numerical data, all the fields value will be the numerical. This may be included. Second one, categorical data. What is mean by categorical data is nothing but it can have mixed value. That is what the mixed value says is it may be of numeric value, it may be of character, it may be of strings. So many kind of data may be involved in that particular data. So that is the one called as a categorical data. So when we talk about the data, all the data whatever we are collected, it must be labeled. What is mean by labeled means the label is what the data represent, the final decision from the given data. So maybe for example, I am collecting the data for the student data means I am getting the student semester marks. So what it is, for example, in Tamil he got 35, English he got 32, max 40, something mark he got. So what I am going to tell from this data, it may be of pass or fail. This is one kind of label I am going to mention for the particular data. So the label is nothing but whether he or she is pass or fail. That is the label. So we going to set all the label for the given data. So this is the one type. So this kind of representation is called as a structured data. The structured data is nothing but from that we have to analyze one label. So we have to set one label for the particular row. So second one will be the unstructured data. What unstructured data will do is we can't segregate or we can't label the data. So that is we didn't set the final conclusion for the particular data. That is called as a unstructured data. So structured data and unstructured data. So maximum for analysis we preferred only the structured data because we get final solution from the given data. So that's why we all preferred as a structured data. So okay, structured data and unstructured data, what the categorical data, what the numerical data. There are 4 types. So one is categorical and numerical, structured data and unstructured data. So where we are going to analyze these things. So in where we are going to apply these concepts. So that is the called as a application. So first one will be the weather prediction, the basic concept. We all know that in this month we will get rain, or this month we will it is a winter season, or else we can say as it is a summer season. So it is a rainy season. So we can say that this 3 months will be the summer, this 3 months will be the rainy, this 3 months will be the winter. So we can segregate. So how we segregate these is, from the past analysis or from the previous year or previous decades. We said that as a this month will be this one, this month will be this one. So this is the basic one. So that is the weather prediction. So it is also will be used in a rainfall. So how many percentage of rainfall will come in this place or this district. So likewise we can segregate. Next one will be the credit card analysis. So based on the customer usage, we can increase the purchasing limit for the particular customers. So next fourth one will be we can predict the sales rate. So or else the product growth, how the product will be reached to the particular customers or not. So that will be we can segregate. So next will be the interest analysis. We all know that the interest will be increased day by day based on the analysis. Next one will be the petrol analysis, gold rate. So this is the day-to-day analysis we are going to find out. We can say that no, in previous it will be the 130 rupees. So day before it will be the 114. So today it automatically we can think that today will be increased by 1 or 2 rupees. So we can analyze the data from the past and previous data, that is yesterday and the day before data. So this is the one kind of predictive analytics. Okay, in this video we have discussed about what is predictive analytics, what is the definition of predictive analytics, where it is used. Okay, so in next video we will discuss deeply about the what are the models involved in the predictive analytics. Thank you.